Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno5, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification and find the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So just find the personal hotspot, as it's called, right here. And once you do, hold the toggle. This will take you to almost the settings of it. So from here you want to tap right here, personal hotspot settings, and you can now customize the settings. Now I do recommend you to do that right off the start, because you will need the password to connect to it, and by default it is just some random password. So either write down the random one that is set by default, or create your own. Now additionally, you can also see there's the name of the hotspot. It's going to be always on every device, name of the device. So in this case it's OPPO Reno5, or more precisely 5G. If you want, you can keep it as it is. This really doesn't matter much, as long as you remember the name of your device. That is, so when you're trying to connect to it later on through Wi-Fi, you know what to look for. And let's tap on on the password right here and remove this one. I'm gonna set my own. And there we go. So from here you can also change one additional thing, which is the AP band, and we have two different options, the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Now I do recommend you to go for the 5 gigahertz one. The connection will be faster and more stable. The downside of this is not every device will support it. Now the device needs to have Wi-Fi or 5G Wi-Fi, and I still recommend you to turn it on if you're not sure. The downside of it is, if your device doesn't support it, you simply won't see the hotspot, and if that is the case, go back here and change it back to 2.4. And once you have set it all up, you can toggle it on, or save the settings and then toggle it on. And that being said, if I bring my device, you can see it right. Quickly max out the brightness. You can see it right here. There is the hotspot, OPPO Reno5 5G, which is it's right here. And if I disable it, it will disappear any moment. For some reason it doesn't want to disappear. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, it's now gone. So there we go. That is how you'd set up and use your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.